Spontaneous reaction, spontaneous process. Spontaneous process or irreversible process. Spontaneous process or irreversible process. In this spontaneous process means the process is naturally occur is called as a spontaneous process. That processes are not require the external influence, means not require the external source for carrying that reaction. That reactions are called as a spontaneous reactions or irreversible reactions. These reactions are carried out in only one direction. Here this reaction A plus A gives out B. Means here is not reversible, only one direction. That reactions are called as a spontaneous reaction. Means the reactions are carried out only one direction. And that are naturally occurring reactions are called as a spontaneous process. Here again these reactions are attain the equilibrium at the end of the process. Then next, these reactions are very fast reactions and denoted by only a single arrow. That these are the spontaneous process. In this process, here, water is flow from higher level to the lower level. That is not required any external source for flowing the water. Or hot coffee cup is keep on table for some times. That is already automatically cool after some times. Means heat is released in surrounding and process is that takes place, that is called as a spontaneous process. This is the spontaneous process. Spontaneous process means a natural process, naturally occurring process. In Marathi it is called a utspurtapane. Utspurt जे केलं जातं त्याला काय म्हणतात spontaneous. And such processes are called as a spontaneous processes. Means naturally occurring processes are called as a spontaneous process, and these processes are stable processes. These are the stable processes. Next we see the energy and spontaneity. Energy and spontaneity. What is the relation between energy and spontaneity? Energy and spontaneity. Now we see spontaneity. Spontaneous means reaction carried in a single, only one direction is called as spontaneous reaction. And here, these are the natural processes. And these are stable reactions, stable processes. And here, the energy of the spontaneous processes is very low. The energy required, the stable processes have less energy. Means spontaneous processes have spontaneous reaction energy less energy, low energy, because they are stable processes and there is not required any energy to carry out that processes. That is called as spontaneity. In spontaneous processes, the energy is low. Here, with NaCl or NaOH and HCl is spontaneously react with each other and form salt and water. That time the energy is released and the process is exothermic process. Then ice means H2O solid, ice. ice is naturally melt at 0 degrees Celsius, above the temperature of 0 degrees Celsius. Means here H2O liquid, above 0 degree Celsius temperature. And this process not required any external force. Here this solid water means ice absorb the heat from surrounding and it converted into liquid at about 0 degrees Celsius temperature. That is a natural process. Then another, NaCl is a dissolve in water. That time form Na plus and Cl minus ions. And here that reaction means NaCl dissolve in water. That time Na plus and Cl minus ions are separated. And here energy is absorbed from the surrounding and the reaction is endothermic. And here is one statement: the spontaneity of the reaction is not depend upon the exothermic reaction or endothermic reaction. And there are different factors or different criteria to decide that the reaction is spontaneous or non spontaneous. Here we see the energy and spontaneity. The next point is entropy. You know the entropy. Entropy means a simple word, entropy. Entropy means to measure disorder of substances. Entropy. Entropy is denoted by letter S. Entropy is denoted by letter S. Entropy is measure the randomness or disorderness of the substances or molecules. Is called as entropy. Means entropy is a molecular disorder or a randomness measured by thermodynamical property is called as a entropy. Is called as a entropy. तर एन्ट्रॉपीचं चांगलं एक्झाम्पल सांगायचं झालं तर आपल्या घरातला जो पसारा इकडं तिकडं पसरला असतो, पसारा मांडला असतो आणि तोच जर काय केला व्यवस्थित ठेवला, या दोन गोष्टी आहेत या रिलेट केल्या आपण. म्हणजे काय केलं, एखादी वस्तू सिस्टमॅटिक ठेवायची आणि तीच परत काय करायची, विस्कटायची. म्हणजे याच्यामध्ये काय आलं, एन्ट्रॉपी. व्यवस्थित ठेवणे म्हणजे काय, ऑर्डर्ड मॅनर. आणि विस्कटायचं म्हणजे काय, डिसऑर्डर. रँडमनेस फेकून द्यायचं, डिसऑर्डर. Here we take one example, and here we decided the entropy of that substances. And this is the reaction. Solid water means our ice. Ice is converted into liquid above the 0 degree Celsius temperature, and that time that solid ice is converted into liquid, and here this liquid again absorb the heat from the surrounding and converted into water vapor or gaseous state. Here this is the solid, liquid and gaseous. You know the general properties of solid, liquid and gaseous states. Here these are the solid. These molecules of the solids are arranged in a regular manner, means ordered manner. Now this is a regular pattern. Ordered, highly ordered. Here in liquid, the molecules of liquid water is not exactly ordered. They are disordered. Disordered. This is highly ordered. Now here, 1, 2, 3. These molecules are disordered. Disordered. And then these liquid water molecules are converted into gaseous state. That time the molecules highly disordered. Highly disordered. The entropy of this highly ordered manner is less, and the entropy of highly disordered molecules are more. Here means entropy is increases from solid to liquid and liquid to gas. Entropy is increases from solid to liquid, liquid to gas. This is the sequence, and here the solid substances, the shows entropy. The solid substances shows entropy is low entropy, and liquid substances, so gaseous substances shows more entropy. And we see the more examples on this. Here entropy is delta S is greater than 0 and delta S is less than 0. Means the value of delta S is positive and delta S is negative. Here the substance is more distorted. That time the entropy of that substance is positive. And the substance is a regularly patterned or ordered manner. That time the entropy of that substance is negative. Here generally solid substances are negative entropy and gaseous are positive entropy. Here we see some examples of the delta S is less than 0 or delta S is greater than 0. And definition of entropy is the molecular disorder or randomness is measured by thermodynamic property is called as a entropy. This is the definition of entropy. Now we see here first example. I2 solid. I2 solid gives out I2 aqueous. Here in this case, this is ordered. And this is the disordered. And here, delta S is equal to positive. म्हणजे काय झालं मॅनर ऑर्डर्ड मॅन होता काय तो झाला डिसऑर्डर झाला असं झालं एंट्रॉपी काय येते पॉझिटिव्ह येते आणि या केस मध्ये काय होतं डेल्टा एस इज ग्रेटर दॅन 0 डेल्टा एस इज ग्रेटर दॅन 0 हियर अनदर एक्झाम्पल H2 gas gives out twice H gas, both are gaseous. Here this is also disorder, this is disorder. But which is highly disordered? This is a disorder. Here this is single molecule of gas, and here two atoms of the gases. Means atoms are increases. Here single molecule and here two atoms. This is highly ordered. Highly ordered. Highly disordered. highly disordered. And here delta S is equal to positive and delta S is a greater than 0. Another example we see. Twice H2O gas plus twice H2O gas. This is the gas molecule, means disordered, highly disordered. React with oxygen, O2 gas. This is the disordered, this is the disordered. And these two molecules are combined with each other. And for twice H2O, here liquid. This is highly disordered. Here is also disordered, highly disordered. And here to this is the disordered but lesser disordered. This is the lesser disordered. And here delta S is negative. म्हणजे हा काय हायली डिसऑर्डर्ड आहे, हा लेस डिसऑर्डर्ड आहे. म्हणजे या प्रमाणात बघितलं तर याच्या प्रमाणात हा काय कमी हे आहे, विस्कटलेला आहे. कुणाला काय म्हणतात लेस डिसऑर्डर. म्हणून डेल्टा एस इज निगेटिव्ह. अँड सच केसेस डेल्टा एस इज लेस देन 0. Here this is the entropy. Here we see the definition of entropy. Before that we see the spontaneity and energy. And before that is spontaneous process. That spontaneous process is called as a irreversible process. And before that we see the one problem on Hess law. And today we discuss this point in chemical thermodynamics. First we see the problem on Hess law of constant heat summation. Then second we see spontaneity or irreversible process. Then we see spontaneity and energy.